Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Here I am today with all of you with the elementary science of class 3. Remember, we finished we finished from chapter 7, food. And now open page number. We did balanced diet, food and nutrition. We finished it. I gave you question answer. We did balanced diet and I gave you question answer for this. And now today we will discuss about fruit. So open page number 48. Quick. So in fruits and vegetables, these two things. You see, fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. Fruits provide nutrition which is vital for our health. Vital means important for our health and protects us from disease. We eat many kinds of fruits such as apple, grapes, mango, jackfruit, banana, watermelon and orange. We get some fruits in summer, others in winter or throughout the year. Throughout means full year. So you see, if you see the pictures, you will find different type of fruits, various type of fruits, and then some fruits are available in summer, so we say them summer fruits. Some are winter fruits and fruits throughout the year. Banana, coconut, papaya, apple, we get this any time of the year. So here is, read it all. Summer fruits, water, winter fruits, fruits throughout the year, and there is a list of seasonal fruit and you just sort it out which one is what. Then come to the next page, vegetables. So we learn vegetables are rich in vitamins. You see here different types of vegetables. So this is also summer vegetable, winter vegetable and vegetables throughout the year. So you can easily understand what is which fruit. If you closely see, you will find the name of the fruits are given here, vegetables are given here. I am not reading. One word I have found here, reduce. So eating vegetable is good for health. People who eat more vegetables regularly can reduce the risk of some disease. Reduce means opposite of increase. So we can have less diseases, or we become always healthy without any disease. So these are things, read it out. I am not reading. Preserving food, it is important. How we preserve food. Preserve food means this vegetable, fruit, how we can keep it fresh. So we eat various kind of food to survive and grow. Survive means to live. Fresh food makes us healthy and provide us energy. But spoiled foods, spoiled means the foods which are not fresh, it is rotten, we cannot eat, that is spoiled. But spoiled foods would make us sick and weak. Food spoils because of pest and microorganism. Learn this pronunciation, microorganism. So pest and microorganism is germ, bacteria getting into food. Once the food is spoiled, there is lots of pest and microorganism into food. We need to preserve food to stop spoiling. So how to preserve food? There are different ways. One is drying, canning or bottling, refrigeration. You know refrigeration, when you keep the food inside the cold place. So refrigerator can make use for preserving many foods, especially vegetables, fruit, fish and meat. And drying is also another process. Drying, what you have to do? Taking away the moisture by heating in the sun. Moisture means particle of water. Water particles are the moisture. When we buy the food like vegetable and fruits, always we feel it juicy and watery. That's it is moisture. So you put it on the sun, and if you can take out all the moisture by heating in the sun, then or in oven, this method works well for many types of food, including fruit, vegetable, fish, meat, grain, and pulse. So I will ask you to ask your mom that what food she keeps in refrigerator and what type of food she preserves by drying. So discuss with your parents and let know from them. So from exercise, that day I did two question answer. That was number 3, why should we eat a balanced diet, and explain what nutrition is. Today I will give you more question answer. Number 2, here is the question answer. You will learn from here and you will note it down in your copy also. Memorize this nicely. Chapter 7, elementary size fruit, today's date. So number 1 is, why do we need to eat fruits and vegetables? Very simple. Fruit and vegetables contain plenty of vitamins. Plenty means too many, huge vitamins and minerals. If we eat fruits and vegetables regularly, then what happens? Our body will stay healthy. Number 2, the immune power will increase. Immune power is the strength inside your body who will fight against the bacteria. Number 3, we will be protected from disease. Protected means safe from disease. Then question number 2, what are the function of vitamins? So we know again and again there is one thing is vitamin, another thing is mineral. So what is the function of vitamins? More or less same. Following are the function of vitamins. Our body will be healthy and strong. Number 2, they protect us from disease. So these minerals and vitamin we get from where? We get from fruit and vegetables. So it is very important for our body and for our health. So number 3 is, explain 2 ways of preserving food. So as I told, 2 ways of preserving food are as follows: drying, refrigeration. So there in the book there is canning also. So they have in the question they have asked only for 2, so I have written here 2. Another question, the last one is number 6. Write the names of 3 fruits that grow throughout the year. Throughout the year means full year, from the beginning of the year till the end of the year. So this is very easy, do yourself. So now dear student, we have finished chapter 7 completely. There was food, fruits and vegetable and balanced diet. All I have completed. I hope and I believe strongly that you all are now understanding chapter 7 easily and preparing the note in your copy the way I have done. So yesterday I got that was from 3, I believe, Safa. She gave me Bangla reading recording of her voice. So thanks Safa. She is the first who gave me. So I am very happy about her. I am waiting from others too. So today do that one from Bangla, and this is your science homework. Thank you. Stay well, stay safe and stay protected. Allah Hafiz.